Good morning. Today is April the 30th, 2021. As we continue preparing for our farmers market, I started working in the garden in the high tunnel at 7 o'clock in the morning. Um, Today is going to be a very hot day, so making sure that my plants are well hydrated. We are a small black and Puerto Rican owned garden. We are located in Whitakers, North Carolina. My husband and I, we care for 30 acres of land, 35 beehives, a high tunnel that produces the products that either we sell at the farmers market located right here in our farm on Saturdays, or we donate a large portion of our harvest to the community they are in need. We are located in Edgecombe County, which is a food desert, meaning it takes about 25 miles to the closest supermarket. And if you find fruits and vegetables, the poor ones need to choose between getting bread, egg, meat, and other stuff than buying vegetables to eat healthy and make healthy food choices. A lot of our people in our community buy grocery at the Dollar General or Dollar Tree. So the Hill Family Farm has become the hub of this community. Last year we provided meals for seniors and disabled and children, served over 7,000 meals during the peak of the pandemic. This year we are doing the same. Even though the pandemic is in better control because of vaccine, our people still struggling. Our seniors still in hunger. Children are in low poverty level. So the Hill Family Farm mission is to improve healthy living and healthy eating in our community. So I am here making sure our plants are well hydrated, and like I said, we are a small farmer, so we don't have high-tech irrigation system. We had to do everything manually. We don't have high-tech equipment. We don't have the help that some big farmers has. With that being said, so I had to get up early in the morning and take care of my babies, because these babies are going to feed many people this year. Our plants are ready. We see the tomatoes coming, and peppers, and squash, and zucchini, mustard green, collard green, potatoes. We also have a designated area for culinary herbs and medicinal herbs. I see the eggplants is covered with the beautiful purple flowers, ready to bless us with excellent eggplant, which can be a good substitute to meat. So with that being said, also on Saturday we host a community fun day, Saturday community healthy eating and physical activity every Saturday from 9:30 to 11:30. And it is our mission on Saturday to educate the community about healthy eating and to go back to basics, growing their own vegetables, their own culinary herbs, their own medicinal herbs, to improve our health. The health level here in Edgecombe County, um, we have a high number of people suffering with diabetes and high blood pressure, high cholesterol, HIV, you name it. Our children are suffering of obesity. So this summer we are opening our door for children to come and work out, aerobics, Zumba, cardio, line dancing. We're trying to make it fun for the whole family. And after we finish working out, we feed the families with healthy food and we give them recipe how to prepare these meals. So once again, I'm Eunice. We here at the Hill Family Farm, and I am also the founder and CEO of the Hill Family Farm Education Center, a nonprofit organization focused in our community, improving the health of our community, our seniors, our disabled, our children. Stay tuned. We're going to continue posting more video. Visit our page in YouTube at Hill Family Farm Education Center. And we will continue giving you updates on how we're doing with the high tunnel. This is our second year growing. And this year we have extended the amount of plants and vegetables that we're going to be growing. Here I'm watering the cantaloupes, watermelon, and cucumbers. So stay tuned. Next time I'm going to introduce you to our animals and we're going to take you to visit our beehives. Have a good day. Be blessed.